Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're going to briefly describe Are You Trapped in 4D? Avoid This Spiritual Pitfall for Genuine Awakening by Dolores Cannon. Have you ever felt like your spiritual journey is at a standstill? Do you sense that there is something more beyond the realm of your current understanding, but can't quite grasp it? You might be encountering what Dolores Cannon termed as the 4D trap, a subtle yet significant obstacle on the path to true spiritual awakening. Understanding the dimensions. To navigate the spiritual journey effectively, it's essential to comprehend the different dimensions of consciousness. The third dimension, 3D, represents our physical reality, characterized by linear time, duality, and a focus on material existence. Here, experiences are grounded in the tangible, with clear distinctions between past, present, and future. The challenges in 3D often involve overcoming fear, greed, and other ego-driven behaviors. Transitioning from 3D to the fourth dimension, 4D, involves an expansion of awareness. In 4D, time becomes more fluid, and individuals begin to experience a deeper connection to their intuition and inner wisdom. This dimension is often marked by increased synchronicities, vivid dreams, and a heightened sense of purpose. The veil between the physical and spiritual realms thins, allowing for greater access to spiritual insights and metaphysical phenomena. However, 4D is also a realm of duality, where light and shadow coexist, and spiritual seekers must navigate both positive and negative influences. The fifth dimension, 5D, transcends the dualistic nature of 4D. It is a realm of unconditional love, unity, and profound spiritual enlightenment. In 5D, the concept of separation dissolves, and individuals experience oneness with all beings and the universe. This dimension is characterized by a deep sense of peace, compassion, and an unwavering connection to the divine. Achieving 5D consciousness involves fully integrating spiritual lessons and embodying a state of love and harmony in every aspect of life. Understanding these dimensions helps spiritual seekers identify where they are on their journey and recognize the potential traps and opportunities each stage presents. The illusion of the 4D trap. The fourth dimension, 4D, offers an intriguing and captivating landscape for spiritual seekers. It is a realm filled with mysticism, vivid dreams, heightened intuition, and powerful synchronicities. These experiences can be exhilarating and profoundly transformative, often leading individuals to believe they have reached the pinnacle of spiritual awakening. However, this belief can create what is known as the 4D trap, a seductive illusion that can stall further spiritual progress. In 4D, the allure lies in the newfound abilities and insights. Psychic phenomena, such as telepathy, clairvoyance, and out-of-body experiences, become more accessible. These gifts can feel like the ultimate achievement, providing a sense of mastery and enlightenment. Yet this dimension is still one of duality, where both positive and negative energies intermingle. The fascination with 4D's mystical elements can lead seekers to fixate on these experiences, mistaking them for the final goal of their spiritual journey. Moreover, the 4D trap can manifest as a subtle form of spiritual ego. Individuals might develop a sense of superiority or exclusivity, believing their heightened abilities set them apart from others. This mindset can create a barrier to further growth, as it reinforces separation rather than the unity and unconditional love characteristic of the fifth dimension, 5D. To avoid the 4D trap, it's crucial to recognize these experiences as steps along the path, not the destination. True awakening requires moving beyond the fascination with psychic phenomena and embracing the deeper spiritual lessons that lead to 5D consciousness. This involves cultivating humility, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to living from the heart, thus integrating the wisdom of 4D into a more profound, unified state of being. Recognizing the signs of being stuck. Identifying whether you are stuck in the fourth dimension, 4D, is crucial for continuing your spiritual journey towards true awakening. Here are key signs that may indicate you are caught in the 4D trap. Obsession with psychic phenomena. One of the primary indicators is an overwhelming fascination with psychic abilities and mystical experiences. While these experiences are significant, an excessive focus on them can distract from deeper spiritual growth. If you find yourself constantly seeking out or showcasing your psychic talents, it might be a sign that you're lingering too long in 4D. Spiritual ego. The development of a spiritual ego is another sign. Cultivate inner peace. The path to 5D begins with cultivating inner peace. Engage in regular meditation and mindfulness practices to quiet the mind and connect with your inner self. These practices help you transcend the noise of the external world and tap into a deeper state of being. Inner peace is the foundation for higher consciousness, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with grace and equanimity. Foster unconditional love. Unconditional love is the hallmark of 5D consciousness. Practice loving yourself and others without conditions or expectations. This involves embracing compassion, forgiveness, and empathy in all your interactions. When you operate from a place of unconditional love, you dissolve the barriers of separation and experience a profound sense of unity with all beings. Live authentically. Living authentically means aligning your actions, thoughts, and beliefs with your true self. Let go of societal expectations and external validations. Embrace your unique path and express your true essence in everything you do. Authentic living fosters a deeper connection with your soul and helps you resonate with 5D energies. Practice presence. Being present in the moment is essential for accessing 5D consciousness. Focus on the here and now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Presence allows you to experience life fully and connect with the divine in every moment. Mindfulness techniques, such as conscious breathing and sensory awareness, can help you stay anchored in the present. Engage in service. Service to others is a powerful way to align with 5D consciousness. When you selflessly help others, you elevate your vibrational frequency and contribute to the collective awakening. Acts of kindness, volunteer work, and supporting those in need foster a sense of interconnectedness and amplify the energy of love and unity. By cultivating inner peace, fostering unconditional love, living authentically, practicing presence, and engaging in service, you can embrace the journey to 5D. These practices help you transcend the limitations of the fourth dimension and align with the higher vibrational frequency of true spiritual awakening. Living from the heart, the key to 5D consciousness. Living from the heart is central to achieving 5D consciousness, where love, unity, and higher awareness prevail. This approach requires shifting your focus from the mind's analytical tendencies to the heart's intuitive and compassionate wisdom. Heart-centered awareness. The heart is more than a physical organ. It is a powerful center of energy and consciousness. Heart-centered awareness involves tuning into the emotions and intuitions that arise from your heart space. Practices such as heart-focused meditation and breathing exercises help you connect with this inner wisdom, fostering a sense of peace and clarity that transcends intellectual understanding. Unconditional love and compassion. Living from the heart means embodying unconditional love and compassion in all your interactions. This involves seeing beyond surface differences and recognizing the intrinsic value and divinity in every being. When you approach others with empathy and kindness, you create an environment of trust and mutual respect, dissolving the illusion of separation and reinforcing the unity inherent in 5D consciousness. Authentic expression. Expressing yourself authentically from the heart ensures that your actions, words, and thoughts are aligned with your true self. This authenticity not only brings personal fulfillment, but also inspires and uplifts those around you. By being true to yourself, you encourage others to do the same, fostering a collective rise in consciousness. Intuitive guidance. The heart is a profound source of intuitive guidance. Unlike the mind, which can be clouded by doubt and fear, the heart offers clear, direct insight. Trusting your heart's intuition helps you navigate your spiritual path with confidence and ease, leading you toward choices that resonate with your highest good and the greater good of all. By embracing heart-centered awareness, practicing unconditional love and compassion, expressing yourself authentically, trusting your intuition, and cultivating gratitude, you can live from the heart. This way of being is the key to accessing 5D consciousness, where the boundaries of separation dissolve and you experience profound interconnectedness with all of creation.